We're here at Palaio's on its Wednesday afternoon, about 8 o'clock. And Lily's gonna try a lemon. She's very excited. Pay attention, lemon. Try it again. Try it one more time.
Such a good listener.
I know, my good girl. What do you think? You like lemon? Oh, she dropped it.
One more? She's not even really biting him anymore.
I know, she's like, you keep tricking me. Let me do it myself.
Like laundry detergent.
You just got yourself in a pickle, Lily.
Work it out. Make it work. You got it. You got it.
You're in a pickle, sweetie. What are you gonna do? Maybe I can swim my way out of it. Go! Oh.
Maybe she'll learn to crawl from this.
Wee wee wee. Oh, don't like the ground. That's not good. What you gonna do, Lily? Huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You just bit the dust.
Rude. I know. Oh, again.
I didn't do it.
I think she's getting frustrated.
Roll. There you go. Oh, you like the position you're in, huh? Ah. Oh, you. Oh. Oh. I think she got some spit down the wrong pipe. In front of the other cutie pie. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see what you guys are doing.
Hi.
Ew, look at that big old thing of drool.
Lily, today's my birthday. How does that make you feel?
Hungry.
She wants to party too. You're just taking head plants
Drunken
today.
baby.
I'll do it again.
Can't really tell. Her booty's all over the place. 'Cause she's balancing. Oh yeah. Lily, show me your new trick where you go.
She's trying.
Don't say that, Candy.
No, I think it fits. It fits sideways. It fits
Well, where are you gonna put it
then? Sideways, really sideways. Hi. I can't hear you around.
What are you doing?
The dishes.
Well, is your mama funny? Look, there she is. She zoomed in on your face. Do it again. Or not. What was that?
Bean. Butter.
And eggs.
And salt.
And cheese!
I think a little.
Coffee!
Definitely could be that.
Coffee! Oh my coffee!
Is that regular or decaf? I peed a little more.
We sound like old hags. Yeah.
Grab it, Lily. Drop it, Lily.
Don't eat it.
Not your mouth, no.
Are you trying to be English now? But still, you're
Jamaican.
Jamaican. That's enough of that.
Can I kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Really? Look at the camera. I'm just kidding.
Lily says, I got it.
You can have it.
Do you have any knowledge or some words of wisdom?
All I have to say is,
Hi, Daniel.
We're still waiting.
right, what I meant to say was, I'm looking for the words Mr. Sheldon has to say.
Bazinga?
Bazinga!
Mr. Sheldon Cooper for the win.
Did you, Pip?
Well, did you? Admit it.
Answer the question.
Answer the question. Did you or did you not poop? Lily Marie, answer the question. Hey, did you?
I saw that happen.